Okay, the length of a rectangle is 3 more than twice the width. The perimeter is 48 feet. Find the length and width. So the first thing I'm going to do, like I did in the other problem, is draw a picture of a rectangle. I'm going to let the width be W. How would I represent the length if the length is 3 more than twice the width? What should I write for the length? Vidica?
3L.
Does it say the length is 3 times the width?
Oh wait, no, it's 3 more. So it's you would add, so it would be L plus.
Well, first of all we have so far is a W. So unless you know how to solve equations with 2 different variables, you better give me an expression that uses W.
So then would it be 3 plus W?
That is close. It would be 3 plus W if it said 3 more than the width. But this says 3 more than twice the width.
Wouldn't it be 3 plus 2W?
Exactly. But I'm going to write 2W plus 3, just because I like to put that first. So now I'm going to put 2W plus 3 there and W there. But I'm also going to I'm going to define my unknowns, width and length. My width is W. My length is 2W plus 3. Okay, and here I have space for me to put my answers, right? So it reminds me I have to give an answer of both width and length. Okay, so 2 different ways I can do it. I can say, well, 3 different ways. I can look at my picture and just copy 2W plus 3 plus W plus 2W plus 3 plus W equals 48. Or I could add 2W plus W is 3W plus 2W is 5W plus another W is 6W plus 3 is 6 equals 48. If I had simplified this expression up here, I would end up with 6W plus 6 equals 48. So you can do your adding right on the rectangle, or you can do your adding in the equation. Now I subtract 6, and I get 6W equals 42. Divide by 6, W equals 8. Now, where in my chart should I put the 8? Sophia?
How is it 8?
Oh, that's a really good question. Because you know what, Sophia? If you don't get enough sleep and you forget to have coffee, then sometimes you think 42 divided by 6 is 8, which is wrong. So, how many of you have ever gotten your math facts mixed up? Yeah, it happens. It even happens to me. So thank you, Sophia, for pointing that out, that the correct answer is indeed 7. Thank you. Okay, so where should I put the 7? Where in my little chart, Monique? Right, so if I put 7 here, how do I calculate my length? Monique, how do I calculate my length?
You multiply 7 by 2 and then add it by 3.
Right. 2 times 7 plus 3. So that's 14 plus 3, which I'm hoping is 17. But as we all know, I'm not having the best morning. So now the thing I like about my little chart is you've answered the question because the question wants to know the length and width. A common mistake is to stop here, but you haven't answered the full question. Now, another way to do this problem is to say 2 times length plus width equals 48. So you could have also said 2 times 2w plus 3 plus w equals 48. And you would have ended up with the same answer. So if you prefer to use that formula, you will get the correct answer. Okay? Now, let's move on to number 3. And I want everyone to try number 3 on your own right now. Start out by drawing a rectangle and doing a chart where you're defining your width and your length, and see if you can come up with the equation on your own.